Hello everyone and welcome back to ᴛᴡɪᴰ Creations. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make a DIY bookmark to keep your place in all your favorite books. Let's get started. First, you are going to grab your paper and a ruler, and you're going to be measuring a rectangle that is about 6 inches long and 2 inches wide. This will be the base of your bookmark, and then you can go ahead and cut it out. Alright, now it's time to decorate. You can add stickers, draw patterns, and even write your own name on your bookmark to make it look extra personalized. Make sure to be creative and use your imagination. Alright, now we're going to punch a hole on the top of our bookmark to make it extra decorative. This is an optional step, so if you want to do it, you can. And that's it, your DIY bookmark is ready to use. Now you'll never lose your spot in your favorite book again. And if you like this project, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this one. Bye everyone, have a great day!